Come visit or move to downtown Indy.
All starts with a dirt road. Sun's going down, we're ready to roll.
I'm an Indianapolis native my whole life. I love this place. Indianapolis, the reason why I love it is because it's definitely home for sure, but this is the best city that people have never heard about. You know, you say Indianapolis, if they're international, they definitely probably do not know about Indianapolis. I witnessed it myself, and that's why we need people from here to be the ambassadors and show people that, you know, what we have is world class. We have just as much to offer the whole world as anybody else, you know, and we have a work hard mentality, but also a mentality to appreciate the small things. A state that has a nice city and great country land. We've got a mixture. I love this place because I just love life, and this is the place that raised me. And you know, as an artist as well, I fully commit to the responsibility of putting on for the place that you were born in. Seidner Academy, the school I went to growing up, the best gifted education or school that IPS and this whole state has had. I'll be a Seidner Redhawk for life, and I'll always represent wherever I'm from.
Honestly, I love the walkability about it all. A lot of great restaurants over here. I'm a cigar smoker, so, you know, treat myself to Nikki Blaine's on occasion or go over to Burn. Also, it's just a great place to people watch.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I love seeing all the sights down here. The architecture here's amazing. We got like probably the biggest roundabout in the whole country. Especially around wintertime, it's amazing here, where the entire monument is lit up like one giant Christmas tree. So that's always a sight to behold. There's some new things that are happening here around downtown that I think are attracting more tourists as they stay here, such as like projectors projecting onto the buildings down here where they might show short films. I remember seeing a few art presentations down here in the city. I actually got to perform down here too as a poet. So people like to say there's nothing happening in Indianapolis, but there's something happening all the time if you just keep your eyes open.
It's a walkable city. Since we don't have public transportations very well, it's very good to be able to walk. And I live in Lockerbie, and that's close enough to connect with downtown in the Circle. And in the summer, I use the market around the Circle, and I use the stores that are in downtown as well. So I can do my grocery and my other shopping downtown, and I can visit cultural institutions, which I do a lot. Come and walk around and talk to the people who in the coffee shops, and check out some of the stores and try it out.
Before you come here, definitely know what you want exactly. Just figure exactly what you want in life, and then from there you can build an itinerary. You can build the perfect experience, because you know, coming to Indy is it's about kind of slowing down in life. You know, you don't have to live slow here at all, but it's you know, if you're living from a chaotic place in your life, just be ready to meet people that are not looking to move at the speed of light. We're just trying to take day at a time at life, and you know, also have a beautiful home for people from other cultures.
I don't know. I mean, definitely see what's around that you can get into, like affinity groups or any groups that pertain to your passions, because that'd be a great way to connect the location with whether your occupation or your vocation. Yeah, I think that'll help you to navigate the city. It's one giant circle, but you just gotta know like which circle to circulate around.
Yeah, honestly, about the same thing. There really is something for everybody here, and it is a big city with a small town feel. So once you find your group, you're going to notice there's at least one or two things every month where you're going to keep running into those people, and you're going to find your home here real quick.
Come visit or move to downtown Indy.